Wait, show people how the engine is moving.
So look at this. Look at that, how safe that is.
That's 670 pounds. What's up, everybody? Homie Fidel here, homie Sergio recording. So today we are on our way to go purchase a 454 big block for my cutlass. Now for those of you guys who don't know what a big block is and what a small block is, well, small block would be like a Chevy 350 or a 350 Oldsmobile, like the engine I have on my car right now. We're gonna get a big block, which is like a bigger engine, and it was used for like performance or either tow cars and stuff like that. It was a bigger, stronger engine. So yeah, wish us luck. We're gonna go inspect it. We're gonna go buy it cheap, and then hopefully we can take it to my buddy Dre, who's gonna go through it and change gaskets and probably give me some advice which route we should go with this engine. But yeah, guys, we're excited. Probably gonna have to get a different oil pan. I don't know. Actually, no, I think that might be fine. But yeah, dude, Cutlass is getting a 454.
A big upgrade.
All the Oldsmobile guys are gonna fucking hate me. But,
Oh well, what can we do? Like I said, it's your car, your style.
What's up, Sergio?
What's going on, man?
Alright guys, this is it. A Smog Era 454. This thing came out of a C30 dually.
C30 dually, yeah.
1985. And it's going on my Cutlass. We got a TH400 transmission down there too. It's gonna take a while, but we'll get it on the car and we'll get it running.
Yep, like always.
We're out here in Hollister, California. We're gonna head back to Mountain View, California. Probably be like an almost 2-hour road trip because this thing weighs so much.
And then you add in the engine and ourselves. So.
Yeah, so yeah, we'll see. We'll take it easy. We got all night.
Guess so.
Hey, it was another van.
Yeah. I'm not the only ones here.
Three days later.
What's up, everybody? Beautiful day here in Cali. Today is a special day. We just picked up the 454 from the storage, and we're gonna go to Sergio's place, strip it down, remove all the headers, and remove all the pulley stuff on it, the smog equipment, the AC. We're gonna get rid of all that trash, and then we're gonna drive it to my buddy's Dre's house so he can start working on it. Shouldn't take that long, but it should be fun.
We also got my pony rims here. Supposedly there's a guy gonna come pick them up. we'll see what happens. And yeah, we'll keep you guys on touch. Look at that massive engine. Barely has space in the van either.
It's just moving.
And we're just road tripping right now. And
wait, show people how the engine is moving.
so look at this. Look at that, how safe that is.
That's 670 pounds.
Damn, so basically that's gonna go on Fidel's car. And I don't think the chassis is gonna handle it for a while, but hey guys, you know, it's a massive engine, it looks powerful, and we'll see what it does to the Cutlass.
Oh dude, I got my springs for the rear.
I
walked out of the out of my apartment this morning, and the box of Summit Racing was there, and I was like, there's other stuff we got to take care of today. But
total happiness for you, huh?
Yeah, we got some springs for the rear of my car. Is gonna give it that 70s street machine look where the rear is lifted a little more than the front. You guys see, it'll be great. All right, everybody, got a bunch of WD-40 right there. Should be a full bottle. We got Sergio's tools here.
Basic tools.
Basic tools. Your essential tools.
Yep.
And we got this big ass 454 with all the we got the alternator, AC, we got all the smog equipment, all the hoses, the exhaust. It's all gonna come out. We're gonna try to strip it as much as we can so my buddy Dre has an easier time working on it. Yeah, so we won't record everything. We'll just go back and show you guys all the stuff we removed, and that's it. Just make it easier for everybody. All right, everybody, there it is, fully stripped. We strapped it to the bench seat on the S10. The van, my bad. Don't want to disrespect this thing. So yeah, we stripped everything down. I mean, half the crap in there weighed so much. You want to show them, Sergio? Try lifting off that AC, whatever the fuck it's called.
Just this?
That thing weighs a ton.
Yeah,
dude.
so this is at least 15 pounds.
This thing is fucking heavy too. It's all cast iron. We got a Rochester Quadrajet. It's probably like a 750 or 800 CFM. So yeah, if anybody's looking for one of those, hit us up. Yeah, just all the junk in here weighs a ton. So that's gonna help us with weight. We're gonna keep it simple. We're probably gonna do a setup where like we have alternator, water pump, and the steering pump, and that's gonna be it. No, nothing special, nothing fancy. We just want this thing to run and give us burnout capabilities. And that, we're gonna drive it to Dre's place, and we'll keep you guys posted. We made it to Dre's place. He's getting the engine out. All right, so this guy, don't let the dreadlocks fool you. This is the smartest kid in class. He's the guy who's gonna be in charge of making this thing a decent beater. And he's a pro with the cherry picker. I almost lost a foot once with him. You guys handle that?
Yeah, I'm just gonna rotate it into the ground.
Let me help you out. Oh shit.
Is it digging into the ground?
Yeah. A little bit.
Well, this side.
Well, that's 670 pounds. Oh, by the way, Dre has a badass 510 Datsun. Look at that thing. He's a monster. We'll move the band right now, and we'll be back. Holy fuck, that's loud.
Damn.
Holy shit, dude. So what's the horsepower on this thing?
Grand, by the way.
Oh shit, dude. Oh fuck, it revs that high? Fuck. Dude, dude, what's the horsepower on this thing? Like low ball?
I was aiming for like 250.
250?
12 to 1, I was running 100.
Damn, for this thing? Fuck.
Hey, that's why your Irish thing is 100.
Yeah. Yeah, I got a feeling like regardless of a big block, I'm still gonna lose a race against you.
Probably.
Probably.
Or Lucas, it's lighter. I mean, I barely put any pressure on that throttle, and it drives like
it just
a
goes.
stock engine in it.
Fuck.
So, but no, full throttle on this thing, dude, it's I can't wait to see it on the road.
I've only done it like 3 times full throttle.
Damn.
I can't wait to see it on the road, dude.
All right, okay. We got a race set up.
We got a race. We got a race.
You know you're gonna lose the race when the guy who's gonna build your engine is the same guy you're gonna race.
And I got half the cylinder.
Oh, motherfucker. All right, back at Drake's place. Got a few supplies. That's can you tell people what this thing is then?
That?
Yeah.
That's 2.2. Well, it's a 2.2 liter, and I bored it out 120 thousandths. So it's a 2.3, 12 to 1 with 6-inch rods. The whole rotating assembly's custom made 48 millimeter side drafts. It runs good.
How much does this thing weigh?
Honestly, it's probably about 200 pounds.
Damn.
300 pounds, maybe.
Oh my god.
I can lift it, so it's not that bad.
It's not that bad. All right, guys. Here it is, the 454. I think you said you found a blown head gasket on it.
Blown head gasket, and the thing was full of oil.
The thing was full. That was my bad. I thought it was empty, but apparently not.
Yeah, no, it had a blown head gasket. Everything else seemed okay. Somebody's rebuilt it though, so they didn't deck the block. They sanded the heads, so that's kind of okay. But the pistons have been out. They were numbered, so somebody has been in there before. So.
She's not a virgin, guys.
No, she is far from
it. So yeah, that's just a little update, everybody. Dre's gonna go through some more things. He's gonna tell me a few parts we need to get, and then hopefully it'll be done. I mean, it'll take a while, but we'll get there. We'll get there. It's no hurry, guys.